In this video, we will explain how to configure the push button alert feature. In this example, we would like to create an alert that will be triggered when the cleaning of the beds from the maternity service is completed. This is a recurring task in the hospital, and the staff and caregivers will be notified when the task is completed. First, go to the Event Types menu. Here, we could use one of the predefined event, but they are too generic for this specific task. Click the button Add New Event Type to create a new one. Enter a relevant name as this will describe the notification you will receive. You can come back to the event and edit it if needed. Go to the Alert Setup menu to create our new alert. You will find a summary of all the previously created alerts on the main page. Click Add New Alert to create the new one. Name the alert with a relevant name. It will help you to browse and maintain your alerts later. Select the tags who will trigger the alert. We could select the tags attached to the maternity beds one by one. But this is a long and tedious selection. We could select the category of assets beds. But it does not apply to our use case, where we only want the tags attached to the maternity beds to generate the alert. So, from the subcategory, select the maternity beds. Select the event type you created earlier so you can identify the alert when it'll be generated. We don't want all the users of the site to be notified. And we don't want here to restrict the notification to specific employees. So we choose the roles we are interested in, caregiver and staff. As the notified employees are equipped with a smartphone, we can choose the email and Android push notifications. The IQM server is also selected, as we want to create specific scenarios for the notifications to be sent. This task is considered low priority, as the staff and caregivers have also to deal with the notifications of help needed with a patient, for example. This is also a recurring task, so the alert will be always active and not restricted to a time window. The alert is now created and can be modified from this homepage. Let's test now the alert we just created. Find one of the tag that belongs to the maternity beds subcategory and press the button. Note that a red LED feedback is given when the button is pressed. In the Access Stellar Asset Tracking web page, a notification can be seen on top of the page shortly after. Here, the button has been pressed twice, so you can see the same amount of notifications. Note that the notification tells you which tag has triggered the alert. You can acknowledge the notifications or go to the Alert History menu to have more information. See that the unacknowledged notifications happened in the last hour. You have now a clear view of the event type associated to the notifications. You can acknowledge the notifications one by one or acknowledge them all. We also configured an email notification. You can see that the mail sent is giving us all the information required for this event. For the IQM alert, go to your IQ Messenger server and locate the scenario you have created. When the asset tracking notification is received, the scenario will check the conditions you have set up, such as checking the availability of the nurses in the calendar. Then, a notification method will be used to alert the right person. With the name of the asset tag, you can find it quickly on the map with the use of the filters.